Hey guys, welcome back once again to my channel. I had some experience on doing hands-on review for the new vertically foldable phone, Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip. Of course, I went straight ahead to the store to take the video, and I also have compared with the Galaxy Fold that they launched last year. First of all, Galaxy Z Flip's main object is obviously the compact. If you open up the Z Flip, there will be 6.7-inch punch-hole display, and this time they have put ultra thin glass display on it. However, I felt same feeling with the Galaxy Fold, and as what I know, they have put another protective film onto the glass display. Even it's with the ultra thin glass, obviously you can see that it comes with a crease down the middle. However, it's not that crease compared to the Galaxy Fold. For the Galaxy Fold, on the outside there is 4.3-inch display, so you could do some simple working such as calling to somebody or send a quick message to someone, etc. But Galaxy Z Flip does only have 1.1-inch display on its outside in order to check notification. So therefore, in order to do anything with your phone, you absolutely need to open up your Z Flip to start your task. On the back of the Galaxy Fold had triple camera, which was wide, ultra wide and telephoto camera. But Galaxy Z Flip has two camera on its rear, which is only wide and ultra wide. The weight of Z Flip was about 183 grams, and it is 93 grams more lighter compared to the Galaxy Fold. Galaxy Z Flip has punch-hole AMOLED display, and the punch-hole size of Z Flip is about 1.22 micrometer, so it's about the same as Galaxy Note 10. At the front, there is one single 10 megapixel main camera, and on the back there is f2.2 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and lastly f1.8 12 megapixel wide camera. The first thing that I've done with the Galaxy Z Flip was taking video or photo with the almost folded in 90 degrees, and I definitely felt that I do not need tripod since the bottom of the phone is making the camera to be stable, just like tripods do if you hold it with your hand. Of course, you can change your ratio to 16:9 horizontal ratio, but one disadvantage on taking video like this was you could only take video up to 1080p 60 fps with the camera at the back, and 1080p 30 fps with the camera at the front. Photos, it was stunning just like Note 10 did. And there is another function if you click the off and on button on the camera app, which this function makes you to see what's going on when you record with the camera at the back from that 1.1-inch notification display on its outside. Just mentioning about the display one more time, Galaxy Z Flip has 21:9 ratio, which there is huge black bar when you watch YouTube videos, and even you increase your scale, it cuts off most of the bottom and the top of the video. But if you are watching minimum of 18:9 ratio or 19:9 ratio, I think this phone will be fantastic to watch with it with. And before I seen Z Flip, I thought that it will fold it easily and opens up easily, just like the old OG foldable phone. However, it was very difficult to open up the Z Flip using one hand only. To compare the size with the Galaxy Fold, the Z Flip is a little bit taller, as you can see, and this hands-on review was obviously taken in 2 or 3 hours at the store, so I cannot really say in detail, but my first thought of the Z Flip was that it was an amazing phone. The Samsung could make, and they have learned their lesson from the cryogenic situation going with the Galaxy Fold screen. The color that I've seen was a mirror purple and mirror black, and I think a lot of women will purchase a purple color or either gold than mirror black. There you go, here's my hands-on review here. Let me know your questions or thoughts on the comments. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. And we'll see you next time with another tech video, and we'll see you next time.